Good evening and welcome to Gladly Strutting, where we talk about shoes and pre-loved fashion. So it tends to be a lot of pre-loved shoes. Today is definitely a pre-loved shoe. It is a reveal. It's new to me, but it's a pre-loved shoe. Yeah, this one's a little bit of a crazy one. I'm trying to figure out whether or not I should actually put it in the thumbnail or I should just surprise you when you click on this video, because okay, so hear me out. Actually, I don't have it. Let me explain. So this beautiful, gorgeous, absolutely stunning, look at this, like, most marvelous, this shoe is crazy. This shoe is absolutely ridiculous. Don't, I know, I understand. I'll show you the twin sister. Okay, which one should I put down? I'll put this one down. So I'm gonna call this shoe Mavis for no reason except for that's the only name I could think of right in this second. So Mavis, welcome to the Gladly Strutting family. Mavis is a Valentino very platform. I don't know if it still counts as the Tango. I think it's maybe a variation. Let's check on the box. But this I can't stop laughing because of how ridiculous this looks. But actually keep watching, because we're going to get into comfort and styling and all of those things that, you know, the impractical thoughts that you're having right now. I'm going, this shoe is not going to be worn. This shoe is going to be worn. Where? We'll figure it out. But this shoe, let's go back to the start. I got this shoe secondhand, if you can see that, and I think I bought this from the Real, yes. So I had been stalking this shoe for, since it came out. I was like, how long is that? Months. Since it came out, since it was on, you know, that very iconic pink, like, fashion week. I don't know where it was, Paris, let's just go with that, Milan, wherever everybody was just wearing pink, and then they wore these platforms, and anyone and everyone. Anne Hathaway, I think, was in these as well. Zendaya was in these as well. I think she also wore the black ones to an award show. So these shoes are famous. Sometimes people would say infamous, because some people are walking a little bit interestingly in them, and I think it doesn't really suit a very tiny frame, because then it makes it even more of an overwhelming shoe. But anyway, these, what did I say, Mavis? Why Mavis? Is anyone named Mavis in the comment section that is okay with me calling this shoe Mavis for no particular reason? Absolutely love. I'm obsessed. So I was stalking this shoe on Vestiaire Collective, on the Real, on Farfetch, on the Farfetch pre-loved section, on eBay. I couldn't find this on eBay, but there's a lot of shoes, lots of pairs on Vestiaire Collective, and lots of pairs on the Real. I didn't make the purchase for such a long time. You don't know how long I held back in terms of buying these shoes. I didn't make the purchase, and I looked at them and I was like, these are unpractical. That's not a word. Impractical. These are not going to work out. These are just going to be a display. Have I not learnt my lesson by going for super sky high shoes and then, you know, not being able to walk in them? And, you know, there were some people that were not walking so confidently in these. So I said, probably not so practical. And this highlight pink is that highlight pink. Maybe it's like a slightly deeper, like maybe on the purplish side, for me in my eyesight, whereas you've got like the light and the camera right there. But yeah, I was like, it's still a lot. You can't miss this shoe. It's a lot. Now I was like, okay, I won't buy them, but I actually had, like, I had loved it, put into bag on Vestiaire Collective and on eBay, and then I was on Instagram. So this is what happened. Miss Irregular Thinking, she got herself a pair of these, and I was like, I ran to the comment section. I was like, oh my god, I didn't say those words, but I was so excited. I was like, somebody else has these. I was absolutely obsessed. So then I actually said, you know what, the thing that's been stopping me is that I think these are impractical. let me ask. So then I asked Irregular, thinking, I was like, how comfortable are these? I've been obsessed with them for such a long time. You know, how comfortable, how practical are they? And then she replied, first of all, I'm obsessed with her, but she replied, she's like, do it. They're actually comfortable, they're actually practical. And I was like, are you serious? I hadn't, you know what, okay. So, you know, here we are. So I didn't purchase them then and there. I purchased them the next day. Because I had to kind of wait. I was like, you know what, let me wait, let me actually think about it, let me put 24 hours between me and my purchases, because I am the type of person that needs time to actually think and go, do I really need this? And apparently I really needed these. I was just waiting for somebody to be like, you know what, actually they are practical, they are comfortable. Not as practical as your standard pump, right? So we're not talking about that, but she said these are comfortable, and she was right. So I've already, like, as soon as they came, obviously I tried them on. This is a size 39 with all the Valentino shoes, all the tangles, all the other variations, the sandal and the pumps. I have lots of pumps. All of them I'm a size 39. Same with this, lengthwise I'm a 39. You will see that my wide ass feet are kind of slipping out from this side, but they'll continue doing that. That's just what they do. My feet are wide, if you didn't know. Wow. Okay. On the inside it's fine. It's literally just the outside wideness over here. No pinching. Comfortable and actually easy to walk in. That's what I find funny. I was like, all right then, because if you think about it, this is very sturdy, this heel, and this platform is, so it kind of works like a giant wedge. So all you really have to do is focus on walking on a really high up the ground wedge. It's not a heel toe, it's more like stomp. This, yeah, for some reason it actually is comfortable, and I'm like, you know what though, I'll take it. And I just need to actually, please suggest to me where I can wear these shoes. Do you think these shoes are church appropriate? I've answered my own question, never mind. If I'm laughing at it in such a ridiculous way, we'll see how we go. If anyone is going to do Halloween is coming up. Can I come as Lady Gaga? Can I come as, who else would wear shoes like this? Well, apparently Lady Gaga. But I could also just make, literally, I would just wear them and be like, I'm doing it for Halloween, whereas I would actually just be doing it for myself, and I just really wanted to wear the shoes. I'll make an outfit revolving around this shoe. Absolutely incredible. I'm obsessed. I'm in love. I'm obsessed. Is that the right way around? Maybe it's the other way around. Whatever. Still true. I love these shoes. I know they're ridiculous. I know. We know they're ridiculous. I'm obsessed. I'm very excited. And you will see me doing some very crazy, weird, impractical stuff with this shoe. Really awesome. I love this, and I'm so happy that I actually saw Irregular thinking actually posted. She said, look, these are actually comfortable. She got these. She's obsessed as well. Basically anyone who has this shoe is like, this shoe is incredible. And you know what, this is like an art piece collection for me. In 20 years time, when this is sitting in my closet, maybe I'll still be able to walk in these. It'll be like, this was the iconic pink Valentino collection with this giant platform that was on the runway, that was on the streets of Hollywood, that was on the red carpets, and that was in Fashion Week. Incredible. I got to be a part of this. I'm obsessed. I'm actually obsessed. Let me turn this video off and let me go put them on and just have fun. Alright, I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.